Hello everyone, welcome to Engineering Chemistry. This is Dr. Praveen Kumariata. Today we are going to discuss some important engineering chemistry practice bits. Yeah, the phase rule is expressed as F is equal to C minus P plus 2. Which of the following statement correctly explains the formula? There are four options. F represents the degree of freedom, number of independent variables. Option B. C represents the number of components in the system. C. Option C. P represents the number of the phases present. Option D. The rule applies only to gaseous system. The correct answer is A, B, and C. The reason the phase rule related to the number of variables that can change without altering the equilibrium in a system containing C components and phases. In the water system, at the triple point, which of the following is true? There are four options. Answers options A, C, D. Ice, liquid, water, and vapor coexist in the equilibrium state, and degree of freedom is zero, and temperature and pressure are fixed. The triple point in a invariant, all three phases coexist at one temperature and pressure, that is F is equal to zero. Question number three. In the sulfur system, the curve between rhombic and monoclinic sulfur represents. There are four options. Answer is option A and D. Both are correct. Both are in the solid state. And option D, it shows the transition temperature between two solid phases. Reason, the curve represents a solid-solid equilibrium where both allotropes of sulfur coexist at a transition temperature that's around 95.5 degrees centigrade. There are multiple match the following terms with their correct description. There are A, B column, option 1, 2, 3, silver lead system, desilverization of lead, phase rule. We know the phase rule is F is equal to C minus P plus 2. So option 3 C and 2 B and 1 A. The correct answer is A. Silver lead system is eutectic. Desilverization applies to the principle of industrial. Phase rule defines the equilibrium mathematically. That is F is equal to C minus P. And fifth question, which of the following are optional optical operation of colloids? There are two options is there. The correct answer is A and C, Tyndall effect and scattering of light. The reason, the optical properties related to light interaction. Tyndall effect and scattering are optical, while Brownian motions and electroforce are kinetic and electrical of properties. So it's A and C is the right answer. Next, question number 6. Consider the following statements about Brownian moment. One, it is caused by the random collision of colloidal particle with the solvent molecules. It proves that colloidal particles are not at rest. Number three, it decreases with increasing the particle size. Number four, it is an optional property. The which statement is correct? The option is answer is A. 1, 2, 3 are correct. So it is not a optical property. So fourth option is wrong. So Brownian moment is a kinetic, not optical. It decreases and particle size increases. Next, question number 7. Electrophoresis helps to option A. Determine the charge on colloidal particle. Option B. Separate opposite charged colloids. And option C. Reduce the particle size of the colloids. Option D. Coagulate colloidal particles. The correct answer is A and B. Determines the charge on the colloidal particle and separate opposite charged colloids. The reason, in electrophoresis, colloidal particles move towards the oppositely charged electrode, helping identify charge and separate them. Next, eighth question. Match the type of corrosion prevention with the mechanism. There are two columns A and B. The correct answer is A, that is A1, B2, C3. Cathodic protection uses a sacrificial anode. Inhibitor shows corrosion chemically, and coating act as a physical barrier. Next, ninth question. Temporary hotness in water is due to. You know very well. There are four options. Option C is the correct answer. Temporary hardness, bicarbonates of the calcium and magnesium. Temporary hardness is caused by bicarbonate when can be removed by boiling. Next, 10th question. Match the boiler's issue with its causes or effect. There are two columns A and B. The correct answer is option A, A1, B2, C3. Scale formation, deposition of calcium sulfate or calcium carbonate, and sludge formation, precipitation of impurities in colloidal form. Boiler corrosion is matched with dissolved oxygen and acids in water.